Hello, sweeties. I have Cuticula's July subscription box unboxing to share with you today. This subscription consists of 2 mystery shades, all inspired by a specific theme each month. But for those of you who would rather not be surprised, Amanda allows me to share the current subscription box spoiler at the end of my video, which is the August box, and she also releases a spoiler newsletter and an event in her Facebook group during the subscription sale window, which actually went live earlier today. I'll have more info for that at the end of my video. On to July's subscription box swatches. Remember, this is a spoiler video, so if you have purchased this box and haven't received it yet and want to be surprised, do not keep watching. So July's theme was good versus evil, aka Ariel versus Ursula from The Little Mermaid, and this was the graphic shared in the group as our only heads up of what the polishes would be inspired by. First up is Ariel, described as a turquoise jelly base with blue to green large particle shifting shimmer, red metallic flakes, purple to blue glass flakes, as well as green to blue glass flakes. Shown here in 3 coats, it does dry with a good amount of texture, so a top coat is needed for a smooth glossy finish. You can see all the flake shifts no matter the lighting, but under the lower lighting, I feel like those purple to blue glass flakes really shine through. Shown here in 1 coat over black. And here we have Ursula, described as a smoky purple crilly with turquoise, purple, and gold ultra chrome chameleon flakes, as well as black flakes. Shown here in 2 coats, you may need 3 if you have a stronger free edge than I do. It dries with some texture, so top coat is needed for a smooth glossy finish. Again, all the flakies are visible no matter the lighting, but the purple of the shifty flakes takes over under the lower lighting, and the smoky gray base becomes a deeper gray as well. Shown here in 1 coat over black. Well, it's another month of not being able to pick a favorite here. I think Amanda captured Ariel and Ursula's essence perfectly with these shades, and it's just too hard to pick a favorite. But do you have a favorite? Let me know in the comments. The Good vs. Evil box is no longer available, but if you join the Cuticula Facebook group, you may get lucky with someone destashing it. Okay, so as promised, I have spoiler photos of the August box, which is still available to grab now, so keep watching if you want a sneak peek before subscribing. For August, Amanda was inspired by Star Wars and went with light side versus the dark side. This is the graphic shared in the group. Again, only keep watching if you don't want to be surprised. And here they are. I'm excited about both, but that glowy light side polish is definitely captivating. So I'll leave a link in the description box below to share where you can sign up for the Cuticula subscription box, as well as a link to her Facebook group where you can find all the spoilers each month and subscribe to her newsletter. The August Light Side vs. Dark Side subscription box is available now until August 20th, so you still have about a week to go subscribe to this one. It's available for $24 plus shipping. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!